Meet Beard Club's Ultimate Growth Kit with the PT45 trimmer.
The Ultimate Growth Kit includes our beard shampoo, growth vitamins, growth oil, growth vitamin spray, boar bristle brush, Derma roller cleansing spray, travel bag, and the PT45 beard and hair trimmer.
This kit is truly the GO kit for anyone who's serious about growing and grooming their best beard. Here's what you can expect to see when this kit arrives on your doorstep. The PT45 trimmer is the ultimate at-home beard and hair trimming experience. 3 hours of battery life, a 7,000 RPM motor, and 45 unique cutting lengths. This device was built to maintain beards of all shapes and sizes. Beard Club's growth oil uses ingredients like avocado, cedar, and castor oils, which promote healthier hair and beard growth. This hydrating formula combats dry skin and beard while tackling any beard dandruff. Beard shampoo to cleanse and moisturize your beard without stripping away your skin and beard's natural oils. With aloe, rosemary, and coconut, it's the perfect way to kickstart your beard routine. Taken once daily, the growth vitamins are formulated with vitamin D, MSM, and biotin to combat natural vitamin deficiencies that contribute to unhealthy hair and skin. The growth vitamin spray uses ingredients like lavender, bamboo, and peppermint to soothe that beard itch and dry skin. And it's also perfect for a midday refresh. A member favorite, the boar bristle brush. Perfect for distributing our oils and balms and great for keeping your beard in check throughout the day. The beard derma roller is used twice weekly to send collagen-rich blood to the surface of your skin. This helps stimulate beard growth while also rejuvenating your skin. It's accompanied by our cleansing spray, which is essential for sanitizing your derma roller in between uses. And the travel bag, perfect for taking your routine on the road.